5 architects you should follow on social media. Number 1, the OG of all the content creators of architects, Architect Oliver Austria. So sumikat siya sa mga reaction videos niya sa YouTube. So if you want to follow him, here's his account. Number 2, Architect Carlo Marco. So he's sharing yung mga experiences niya as a professional architect and mga tips rin architecturally and sa construction. So if you want to learn more about the architecture profession and construction, follow him on YouTube. Number 3, Architect Ed Ramos. Ang contents niya naman is also on YouTube, Facebook, and he's sharing yung mga projects niya like yung bahay na brutal at yung mga future projects yung process. So if you're into that kind of content, follow him on Facebook, YouTube. Number 4, Alfredo Fernandez, aka Maestro. Kung mahaba yung patience mo, very lengthy yung mga videos niya. Ito parang lecture class to eh. So, pero very informative. Ako personally, dami ko natutunan whenever I watch his videos. So, if you're into that, follow him on YouTube. And last but not the least, number 5, Architect Dax. Siyempre ako. De joke lang. Ito, yung favorite ko na content creator ng architects. Architect Rolando Rimas. Sinearch ko pa yung pangalan niya kasi hindi ko alam na yun yung pangalan niya. But his name on TikTok is si Lando G. Sobrang gusto ko yung mga contents na very witty, informative, and very short lang. Sa mga taong katulad ko, may clear attention span. Bagay na bagay sa inyo to. That's my top 5 list of architects you should follow. Special mention to Engineer Slater Young. Yes, he's not an architect, pero very informative and helpful yung mga contents niya. So follow nyo na rin. Follow nyo na to para good job kayo.